small wheel, 14-inch wheel like this, MTM5 from Bigodi or Kingston, or in motion, 14 or 16-inch wheels, it's perfect to start with. This is MTM5 that I modified to make it as easy as possible to use in everyday use. I fix a pedal so it just falls like this. This handle you can walk into the store. It's very nimble, light wheel. I took off one side, one battery side, so it's going on one battery. It's enough for short range for me to ride everywhere around Pulsholmen here. First time you just try to feel your wheel like this, how it's keep a balance. And on small wheels like this, it's much more easy to lift your second foot on it, because your foot stay very close to center of gravity to the tire, so it doesn't take much effort to lift. Practice this, just to lift your foot up and down. And it's maybe easy just to hold something, just to feel like this, and you can lean forward or backward and feel the power of wheel. Trust your wheel like this, and then just lean forward and you're flying. It helps to keep your hands up. Maintain the balance. Life is so much easier with one wheel. You need nothing else. There is no brakes, no throttles, no gas, no fuel, no remote controls, anything else. It's obsolete. All you need is one wheel. And you fly. And it's actually, it doesn't matter forward or backward. There is no forward or backward on wheel. They are symmetric, so you can just switch aside and go other direction. It's as easy to go back like this or forward, or just turn. When you turn, it's so easy on small wheels. Small wheels like 14, 16-inch wheels are really easy to ride in the city or small places. They're nimble and light. maybe you will miss power if you go far away on a race or go up hills off-road. But for practice, for city riding, for small everyday ride, I recommend small wheels to